What is going on? It has been a long time. Since December 9th, I haven't touched my bike. But today, it was 75 today, and I spent the whole day at fucking work. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your long-lost pal, Uncle Julian. And I am just riding home from work. Not really much going on besides it's nice, the bike is out, the seasonal depression has ended. Oh man, it's been a whirlwind since my last video. Like, I got involved with a super sweet girl. We're serious and steady now, and that's great. And I'm gonna pick her little ass up tomorrow, and I'm gonna take her for a ride. Maybe I'll film that. Maybe. We'll see. If she wants to be videotaped. If not, I get it. It's alright. It's all good. But, yeah. I'm just so happy to be riding again. I gotta get an oil change soon on this bike. I got maybe like 750 more miles before I gotta like really get an oil change. And I'm trying to like schedule that shit. But man, this winter, it snowed. It snowed like 2 feet so far. This year's accumulation. We had this huge blizzard. And then we had one right after. Oh man, that sucked. Especially when you work at a dealership and you gotta clean out cars and fucking shovel everything and help the lot attendants and whatnot. Oh, that was a pain in the fucking ass. I'll be honest with you. I will be honest. Oh, look, a puddle. Let's ride through a puddle. Ugh, dirty. Potholes. You gotta watch out for them potholes. Practice your evasive maneuvers. But yeah, I want to get out to a parking lot when I have a little more free time and just do some practice. I won't even lie, I didn't feel rusty at all, like getting off the getting up back on the bike. Didn't even feel rusty at all. But hey, listen, it's all good, man. It's like riding a bike, you never forget. And let's see, I'm probably gonna cut the video now and just do a video tomorrow. But man, it feels great to be back on the bike. I'm so friggin' happy. Like, you will not believe. I'm elated. But stay tuned, man, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Bye bye. What is going on, my friends? It's your long lost pal, Uncle Julian. And it's the following day. I am with my biker girlfriend. Ooh, sexy. And we are going to Pic-a-lili Inn in Shamong, New Jersey. This is her first time on the beautiful machine. She's digging into the back of my head right now. We just stopped at Wawa. We got a coffee, and I got a Red Bull. Even though I promised I wouldn't drink them anymore, I'm just really thirsty. And yeah, we'll be there in 20 minutes. But I wonder, you'll see her hand. This is her hand. Look how cute she is. Say hi. Hi, baby. She's adorable. Anyway, I will see you when we get there. Bye-bye. All right, so we made it. Pic-a-lili's Inn. Pic-a-lili Inn. Best wings in New Jersey. Can't believe it. We got motorcycle girl. Cutie pie. First time on a bike. And we're gonna go in, we're gonna order, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. All right, so because Depeche Mode was playing in the background, I don't want the video to get a copyright claim, but basically I'm talking about the wings, how they're super crispy, super tasty. Now I'm showing what motorcycle girl's getting. She got tails, I got wings, and French fries and a Pepsi. And oh my God, they were so crispy. It was absolutely delicious. And this is the part where I bite it. And look at that bite. It's like the guy from McDonald's with the big arch burger. But I was struggling. And then now I took a good bite. Delicious. It's just so damn good. And then I wanted her to bite it, but she was shy and she was eating ketchup and French fries because that's what she loves. All right, cool. But yeah, super recommended. Absolutely delicious food. And if you're in the area, Chemung, New Jersey, go there. At Pic-a-Lili's, we had a wonderful lunch together. She got tails, I got wings, and we're gonna head back to the water. So you can see a lot of bikers show up. This is definitely like a Harley Davidson type cruiser shit. My bike has no place here, but you'll see. All right. Let's get on and let's do the thing. Ready? She's on. All right. And highly recommend Pic-a-Lili if you're a biker or you like American wings. Definitely, definitely. All right, here we go. But man, the weather outside is absolutely perfect. It's in the 70s. We had 2 feet of snow, and I'm glad that shit is over for now. It's still March, so we're getting a false spring. And yeah. All the way down in South Jersey, Chemung, New Jersey. If you want to check out Pic-a-Lili, highly recommend it. Food is great. They got oysters. I didn't really look at the menu. I knew I wanted wings, but me and the girl, we had a great time. We definitely recommend it. But I think that's it for today. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the ride, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.